welcome back to my channel. Today we're planting tulips. I only have one bag here. I recommend that you get like an entire box full of bulbs, but we're just gonna put them right here between these two wine barrels. And as you can see, the cilantro came up. So I will go ahead and post a link to the video of planting this cilantro. The good thing about tulips is that they can grow in clumps and really close to each other. It's delicious. This is all that came up because we have wild chickens that run the street, and the chickens came and they scratched it all out. So I'm actually surprised that anything is here, and I put some more seeds in last night. Anyway, back to tulips. It's January 9th right now, and it's been really warm. I'm getting these in the ground. So I just got these tulips over Christmas, and it's supposed to rain all next week. So bulbs need to be about 6 inches deep in here. So if you live in an area that freezes, where the ground freezes, then you're gonna wanna put these in the ground before your first frost to ensure that they're gonna come up before spring. I'm here in Sacramento in Northern California, zone 9b, and our ground doesn't freeze. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So to about right here, right at the butt, based on my inaccurate measuring technique. Oh, worms, yeah! Wait, let me know your Look at that! That's super exciting when you find worms in your garden. That means that the soil is good. That's like a good indicator. However, this is not even soil. This is rocks on top of like a weed mat. And the soil underneath here is super duper clay. It's not good soil at all. So I don't know where that worm came from, but that's awesome. Now I'm just gonna top this off with some Nature's Care organic gardening soil. Oh, is that another worm? Yeah! Oh yes, they're gonna mate. Worms are both male and female, so any 2 worms can mate. For nutrition and because this soil is gonna settle. You can pack them in. They're really strong. They'll pop up. All right, that's it, guys. So like, please subscribe, please follow me on my Instagram at Gypsy's Healing Herbs to see firsthand when these babies pop up out of the ground and anything else that we're going to be doing in this garden. Also, if you want to stay tuned with my challenges, 2020 is full of challenges. January's challenge, War on Waste. Follow my Instagram to see how to catch up on that.